Little storyteller.
Roomba-Doo was a little robot vacuum cleaner, round and shiny blue. His job was to zoom around Lily's sunny yellow playroom and gobble up all the dust. He had big friendly eyes that blinked when he bumped into toys. One sunny morning, as Roomba-Doo was cleaning near the toy box, he noticed something interesting. The dust he was pushing around wasn't just making lines anymore. It looked like shapes. He zoomed back and forth, carefully moving the dust with his little brushes. Slowly, the shapes started to look like letters. Roomba-Doo was writing. He wrote a big dusty H. Then he wrote I. Next to it, he carefully wrote 2. Roomba-Doo had written hit. He wondered what to write next. Nearby sat Barnaby, a fluffy yellow teddy bear with button eyes. Barnaby watched Roomba-Doo with curiosity. He'd never seen a vacuum cleaner write before. Roomba-Doo continued his dusty writing. He wrote the, and then ball. Barnaby giggled softly. It looked like Roomba-Doo was writing about the toys. Suddenly, Lily skipped into the playroom with her bright red shoes. "Roomba-Doo, you're making a mess," she said, surprised to see the dusty words. Lily looked closer. "Wait, is that writing?" She read the dusty words. "Hit the ball." She smiled. Roomba-Doo was writing a story. Lily decided to help Roomba-Doo. She carefully used a soft paintbrush to make the dusty letters clearer. Barnaby watched with wide eyes. It was fun to help. Together, Roomba-Doo, Lily and Barnaby made the dusty story even better. They learned that even a little dust can be used to make something interesting, and helping each other makes everything more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.